Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, South Africans, Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out because you're reigning, defending, undisputed #1 educational speaker in the whole world is your host with the most. Thank you very much, Bafethu, or Apalo. Nyamazi nonke by this time. Thank you very much, Bafethu, to our subscribers. And thank you very much, Guinea and Logoningena, Bafethu. Welcome home, Bafethu. You are home. You are here not by mistake. So start by subscribing, Bafethu. Uthi uhlala usithola every day must post a video. Yes. Like our videos, Bafethu, share our videos so that we can grow. That is the most effective way to support the channel to be where it should be. Thank you very much, Bafethu. As you know, Bafethu, ngisanibonga kanje. Today I'm very sad, I become sad after watching the video from Rings and Bearings, Kuskim GP, Bafethu. The latest, it was on Wednesday, this passing Wednesday. There's a video there that was playing. I don't know if I can say it's an episode or video or what, because it is very hurtful. It is very hurtful, It made me switch now, because we are in Tepisong as Uppercut Podcast. So the guy there, whatever that is happening, he was shot in Tepisong, Bafethu. So it triggered my mind, which no man, this guy, Bafethu, uzicelela nje justice. This guy is very young, 29 years old, Bafethu, and he was shot. He was marked, It was not late. Ngicela niwumamela leyo video, Bafethu. Iphume Wednesday lesiphuma kuyo, wabo. So ngicela niwimamela, especially abantu abahlala eThepisong nomhlaba wonke, the whole South Africa, but Thepisong in particular, Bafethu. Ngicela nibukele leyo video, yabo. And lento leyo ebhlungu, Bafethu, ngalobhuti yenzakale la eThepisong, right here. And iThepisong edume ngobutsotsi, iThepisong edume ngezinto ezimbi, iThepisong edume ngama-drugs. Sihlezi sibona ama-helicopter. I can tell you maybe 5 times a week. Sihlezi sibona ama-helicopter. That shows ukuthi kuzofunwa imoto ezitshontshiwe la eThepisong, uyabona. At some point you might say maybe ziyatshontshwa abantu abahlala Vereeniging la bazozifihla eThepisong, or zitshontsha abantu abaseThepisong. But all in all, eThepisong, Bafethu, sonke siyavuma ukuthi kwenzakala izinto ezibhlungu, including le engikhuluma ngayo today, yabona. It was not late lento mayenzeka, uyasho ubhuti la 4-5 bekusakhanya, 6 o'clock summertime, bekusakhanya. Everyone was passing by there, but no one saw anything. Akekho obone nalabo bantu abayenze lento, leyo nto leyo engiyenze ngabona ukuthi hey Bafethu, kumele switch on, kumele khona into kumele sishintshe emqondweni yethu somphakathi sonke, yabo, ukuthi makwenzakala something ngomuntu sithi thina I don't want to get myself into trouble. Maybe labo bantu bangabuya bazokulimaza. Yes, that is true. But now I want to say, kunama channels manje, different channels okhuluma, yabona. Bekungathembakale isiphoyisa sethu, yabo. But now all that has been exposed, Bafethu. kubo Madlanga manje I can tell you kuyasetshenzwa manje yabona kuyasetshenzwa manje aba-corrupt bamele esayidini manje. I want to say i-community and the men in blue, it's high time manje sisebenza ngeqiniso bafethu, siprotector nama-whistleblower nabantu abakhulumayo, abantu bangasasaba ukuthi hey mina bazobuya bangidubule, singasanika ama-criminals amandla yabona. Yeah, I think that way we give more powers to criminals ukuthi manje namphakathi usaba ukukhuluma but amaphoyisa are there, you know. So zonke zi-exposed kuMadlanga, sifunda into eyiningi ukuthi lezo zinto why bezenzeka and bekuyiqiniso bezenzeka vele besingasukeli abantu wabona. It's corruption all over, but now beyilimaza abantu kanjani mayiloku iza down because i-corruption mayiphezulu izayishintsha i-mentality yabantu, the way that people are approaching things on the ground level until kuze kulimala abantu kanje bafethu yabo. And le awuthi le ushilo athi hey bafethu yane ushilo athi uyabaqolela although akabenzanga next, although abakaboshwa, although within a month amaphoyisa bese bamtshela ukuthi no, they are dropping the case because there is no evidence and it is his job now yena olimele ukuthi makawuzwa something or abona something abuye abatshele. Kanjani that guy bafethu yazi kusagijima angaze ngabona uskimi aphuka umoya so yeah, angaze ngambona uskimi umoya wakho uphansi kanje yabo. The way bengimbona ngakhona bekathi I'm very disappointed ne-system, the way that lo muntu lo akhuluma isitori sakhe ngakhona. Hence ngithi I encourage people, everyone, especially its website bafethu, ngicela nibukele leyo video nonke nizokwazi ukuzizwela. Mane uye esibhedlela sethu esikhulu la eLerato yabo. Makafika la eLerato uhleli la from past 7 to 7 until 12 o'clock. Azange athole usizo. Instead abosi uye waqela amanzi or ingubo, yeah, wakhuluma nomunye usister. Lo sister lo wathi kuye ay but sinama emergency cases thina la wena ungama kancane. Wow, lento leyo yasibonisa ukuthi still corruption leyo, but isuka phezulu ku Department of Health yabo, isuka phezulu because that guy uyasho ukuthi I spoke to everyone ophezulu ku Department of Health but no one helped him yabo. Bheka manje inside our hospitals manje abo sister ba acta kanjani manje yabo, ngenxa yokuthi bayazi ukuthi they won't be accountable. Yes yabo, izodlula akekho ozomenza next on the ground level kuma hospital manje sebaya actor nabo doctor mabenza ama mistake because there are a lot of mistakes that happened to this guy bafethu uyangithola. So kuzwe subhlungu kakhulu because manje nabo doctor kuba ngathi bayavikelana ukuya ngezibhedlela, lo muntu uhamba izibhedlela ezibhaya bafethu yabo. So azange asizeke yabo. Yeah, and it is sad. Bengafuna ukungena enzi example ngale. It is sad because now there's kune issue ama illegal foreigners. Kunale issue manje. Ama illegal foreigners bekulewa kuthiwa ayasizwe izibhedlela. Mhlambe bayabhadalwa or anything anyhow. And ama citizens wona ayalwa ukuthi labantu bangasizeki. Ngeke selwe kanjani ama citizens afailwa kanje. But we know ukuthi abantu abangaphandle bona bayasizwa Same nabantu abasebenza esibhedlela bafethu, abantu abasebenzela umphakathi. They are there for us, people of South Africa. Makasona laphayana athi I'm gonna help people of South Africa. But makaqeda yena sekanama-emergency cases. I'm just asking myself ukuthi usister laphayana esibhedlela kube umntwana kubo lo, kube indoda yakhe le, kube ubhuti wakhe le, kube umntwana wakhe le, bekazothi unama-emergency cases, or kube kuyi-relative yakho or umngane wakho umuntu omaziyo. Hayi bafethu, that is very disappointing. That is very disappointing. Esibhedlela saseThepisong sifeyile ukusiza lo bhuti. But ke ebengifuna ukukusho mina kahle kahle kugcizelela kubo la kuko la eThepisong ukuthi ama-website bafethu masishintshe indawo esiqabanga ngakhona. Ngengaba itsotsi nami, ngengabamba nami inkunzi. La imane maka explainer athi umcelile, umbhekile, umbonile. Uze uya explainer the way nesky singakhona. But ke into emangazayo ukuthi akekho umuntu omunye umuntu ombonile, yabo, uyayiwana umbonile. You know, at that situation bafethu makambuza alele phansi ukuthi umdobulelane ungibulalelane, nawe mfethu omdobulile umbonile la imali ukuthi ukubhekile at that time, bhuti wami awube nobuntu, yabo, ungazobulawa nembeza after some years sowugugile wena sowukholile uthelele nabantwana bakho ngebhadi. Uyangithola wena nje mina bengingakucela kona mfethu, wherever if ungahlangana nale video, just come out my brother, come clean and confess. Leso sikhathi uyazisiza nawe, yabo, uyasiza nawe, usiza nabantwana bakho, usiza nabakini. Uyangithola mfethu, just come out iphele lento, uthathe accountability mfana semzini, because sekashilo ubhuti athi he forgive you guys. That is rare. Akakahlale nani phansi, akakaniboni, but sekanixolele bafethu. That is very rare bafethu, and ngizonitshela ubuNkulunkulu lobo in action, yabona. So zwakala mfana, ukhulume ukuthi uwe oyenze lento, xolise nawe mfethu, because sekanixolela already. Just imagine that only, yabo. So hayi ukuthi mina ngithi ngiyazi empilweni, but nami ngingaba kule situation sokuthi umuntu angibheke athukile ngimkhombe ngesibhamu. I could see the fear. Uyangithola, bengazi ukuthi uyakhuluma ngayini, although angakhulumi ngomlomo, yabo. Lo muntu akalanga nga-next, ucomplyile nga-everything. Yedwa umdubulile mfana semzini. Ngicela uvele uzwakale, uthathe accountability, uqabangele wena manje la, yabo, uqabangele wena, because iqiniso ukuthi you have nowhere to run, nowhere. You can run the longest, uyangithola, but you're gonna be found. So mina bengithi usebenze njengendoda mfana semzini, umele into zakho kusasemanje, ungazofuna ukuzimela later, because it's now or later. It's not gonna be now or never. No, it is gonna be now or later. Ngiyakucela mfana semzini, angizenzi clever phambi kwakho, khuluma nawe manje, yekela abangane, especially the one who pulled the trigger, yabona. Yekela abangane mfana semzini, awukuziqabanga, thatha isikhathi sakho and then uvele, yabo. Nobhuti azokwazi ukuphola emoyeni mfethu, nabakubo bazokwazi ukuphola emoyeni, yabo. Bafethu kule episode namhlanje bengicabanga ukuthi angeke ngisaya kude, yabo. I can't go any far bafethu. Ngicela nje ukuthi nathi umphakathi sike sishintshene, singamele izinto zize zenzakale kuwe and then khane sowufuna ukuthi sisebenzeni kahle, uyabona, uyabona. It's touch one touch all as a community, as Kate, yabo.
There's a definition of community.
Yeah. So I was about to ask you, my brother, yabona, before I can conclude ukuthi all in all nje wena, what's your take?
It basically boils down to what you said. Touch one, touch all. Embrace the spirit of community. As opposed to condoning bad things by not doing anything about them. So it's basically that. But then I can tell that you are really touched about this.
Yeah, my brother. Man. Yeah, because ne ke etsa ntho tse blind and the worst thing ka crime, my brother, is that you don't do crime in the air. You don't attack the air.
Yes.
You attack people. You attack human beings. They have feelings, my brother, like you do. But as I want to say to the shooter, just imagine if it was your brother. Just imagine if it was your cousin.
Or yourself on the other end.
Just imagine if it was yourself on the other end, my brother.
Yes.
No. You are hurt for the rest of your life.
Yeah.
For what? You don't know. You don't know. Because you never said anything. The guy was going to the shop and buy airtime.
Yes.
One shot. He was not ready for that. He didn't call for that.
Yes, he didn't plan it.
He didn't plan it, my brother. And I has to get about.
Yes.
One shot. And as 29 years, just imagine, my friend. 29 years. Also to magati 50 yalengana nami. The whole life was about aloga safari. Yeah. But mina bengithi the guy that shot him akazivelele yena. Yabona asize lo muntu emoyeni nasengqondweni manje. Okay, physically umkhawathile Brian. Yabona physically umkhawathile. But ke ngicela nje mina ukucabanga ngespirit sakhe, mentality, mental, yabona.
Yes. Give him some closure.
Give him some closure, my brother. Give him answers and apologize.
Yes.
Yabona. Give him answers and apologize. So as nayo scheme makavala leyo show laphayana. Uyivala ngomthandazo.
Always.
Yabo. Uyivala ngomthandazo. So I'm going to say amen.